My name's David. I'm here to show you how to import products in Deskera books. So let's click on products. Let's click on import products. Inside here, I can select tracked and non-tracked product import and BOM product import. Let's start with tracked and non-tracked products. Over here, I can select download sample file. This is the sample file for non-tracked and tracked products. You're going to enter your sequence code, product name, product type, product description, barcode, purchase account name, purchase price, sales account name, sales price, it's taxable, sales price tax inclusive, unit of measurement, opening quantity, opening valuation, cost of goods sold account, inventory account, stock adjustment account. After that, you just drag and drop the file into here, and then you click next. The field should auto map, and then let's click next. And then I can see all my products here from the Excel. I can look and see if anything is correct or incorrect, and then I can update directly on the screen and apply for the entire column. Once done, I just click submit and it'll be uploaded. Next, let's import BOM products. Let's click next. Inside here, let's download the sample file. So this is the BOM template that you're gonna fill in. You're gonna put in the sequence code, product name, product type, barcode, product description, sales price, purchase account name, sales account name, is taxable, purchase price tax inclusive, sales price tax inclusive, unit of measurement, opening quantity, opening valuation, cost of goods sold account, inventory account, stock adjustment account, manufacturing account, warehouse. And this is where you're going to list your component IDs. So you list them after the product. Then here's your component product quantity, additional cost name, and additional cost amount. Now you just drag and drop the file in here, and then you can see it's been uploaded. Let's click next. You can see the fields have been auto-mapped. Let's click next. And then we can look and review the information and see if it's correct. If everything is correct, then I just click submit and it'll be uploaded. If not, I can update directly on the screen. And that's a quick look at how to import products into Deskera books.